Hello, in this C# tutorial I'm gonna show how to reverse a sentence. To make a program to reverse sentences with the ToCharArray method and loops, which is a really cool skill to have. So let's just make a string sentence which we are going to reverse. So it will work on any string. Then I simply make a new char array like so, which I call sentence array, and then I use the method sentence ToCharArray. So now we have an actual array of the words in this sentence. To prove it, I can print that out with a for loop, or let's say a for each loop, for each char x, for example, in sentence array. I can write it out through the console. And now it's not going to be reversed. And actually I'll do just write and not the lines, so we can see the sentence simply written out from that array. And yes, this is an example sentence. So we wrote it out from the array. But what we actually want is to reverse it. So we need to write another kind of loop. And for this, the for each loop is not going to cut it, since it cannot use the index. So I need to write a for loop. But I need to do it in reverse. I need to not start at 0, but rather at the sentence array dot length. And remember, that starts at 0. So if we go now to the whole length, that's gonna be too far. So we actually need to do -1. And then we need to do you need to do until the int I is greater than 0 or equal to 0. And then we need to decrement it by 1 each round of this loop. And now we can write our sentence array. Each index of it, we can console write line, and that should give us a reversed sentence. So here you have the example sentence, and then you have it in the reverse order, except I didn't want to write lines. I just want to write it so it shows up in the reverse order. This is an example sentence. And it comes on the same line there. And that's how you reverse sentences in C#. Isn't that a cool skill to have? And later I'll be showing split and how to split text into words and lines, which is very cool. But for now, that will be it for today. So now you know how to reverse a string in C#.